Look no further than the 2026 Audi Q7. Loaded with tech and crafted of fine materials, this impressive Q7 delivers style and substance. Big and powerful, yet lithe and a pleasure to drive. This handsome vehicle gives your family the quality they deserve. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, sun, moon roof, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, power liftgate. Feel the joy of luxury in this impeccable Q7. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.